This ended up being so perfect. Oh my God. Tasted just like a Big Mac. Hey guys, welcome back to Morganic Essentials, where we bring together tasty and affordable whole food cooking. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so first we're gonna start by chopping our potatoes into like steak fry shapes. You know, McDonald's used to fry their fries in beef tallow until the 90s. Like sometime in the 90s, they switched it to like soybean and canola oil. So we're gonna spray some avocado oil on it first, just so the seasonings stick really well. We'll add a little bit of baking powder. It's gonna help them crisp up really well too. And then we'll add our sea salt. Just get it nice and flavorful. We're gonna preheat our air fryer to 400 degrees for 20 minutes. All right, next let's move over to the stove. So here we're going to add in our pound of ground beef, and then we're gonna season that up with some sea salt, garlic powder, and onion powder, the trifecta. Get that nice and seasoned, and then we're gonna saute this ground beef. And while that's cooking, we're gonna go ahead and move over to our Big Mac sauce. So you wanna chop up pickles and then add some avocado mayo and Greek yogurt, sea salt, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika. Then you want to drizzle in about a tablespoon of raw honey, and then about a tablespoon of ketchup. Woo! And a tablespoon of mustard. You want to season to taste here. Then we're going to add about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. We want to get our sauce the consistency we want it, so we're going to stir it up. We're going to taste it and see if there's anything else we need to add.
That's perfect. I'm not going to add anything to that.
All right, next, once your fries are done out of the air fryer, you want to throw them in a bowl, toss them with a little bit more sea salt, okay? They're going to be nice and hot, crispy. These fries turned out so good. Can you believe we didn't deep fry them? And so now we're gonna assemble our bowl. We get our ground beef. It is finally ready.
This is a great all-natural brand, Sargento. Only ingredients: pasteurized milk, cheese culture, salt, enzymes, and annatto. That's it.
We are gonna add a slice of that. And now we're gonna top it with our homemade mac sauce. And then we've got our minced onions, minced white onions on top. And then from there, we've got our pickle slices. And we're gonna top that with some sesame seeds, because they do the sesame seed bun, right? So you gotta add your toasted sesame seeds. And then I'm gonna add shredded lettuce and drizzle with some more of our mac sauce. And then we're gonna top with a little bit more sesame seeds. This ended up being so perfect. Oh my God. Tasted just like a Big Mac, but it's low carb. You know, we don't have the bun. This ended up being perfect, so I didn't add anything else. Guys, give this a try.
When I tell you, this tastes just like a Big Mac. The only difference is there's no bun. It's like if you took the bun off and put fries on top, but it's all natural, using whole food ingredients. So freaking good. You have to, if you like Big Macs, you absolutely have to try this at home. It's healthier for you, better for you. Comment below, let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos up here or up here. Eat well, be well, and I will see you next time.